What's happening, y'all? What's happening, sailors, future sailors? Ones on their ways, ones already, ones that done made it, right? Welcome back. We're gonna go over what a deck should look like, and your deck should not look like this. All this right here, it's a tripping hazard, right? Now I'm falling, or I can roll my ankle. Roll my roll your ankle. See how you can roll your ankle? It's that easy. Now this, you need to do this. You need to straighten up the deck before you get off the deck, right? Because anybody can come out here, take a walk at nighttime. Like this ain't it. This a heaving line. Pick your heaving line up. You want a clear deck. You want a walkway. You want to be able to walk. Okay. That looks a little decent. See how like this blue line is off to the side? That line is all caught. That's what you want, right? And this line right here, that's okay because we are using it, right? So that blue line is leading all the way up there. It's that long. We using that, okay? So that's okay. So we're gonna walk up to the bow, see what's going on. I haven't been up here since yesterday evening. I worked midnight to noon. I got woke up quite a few times to help move the boat. So you see, like this you don't want your deck looking like this. This is a no-no. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna straighten it up and show you what it's supposed to look like, okay? Might be later on tomorrow before I do it, but it will get done because you want to take the initiative to do certain things. You want to set the tone, right? You want to be a wise, use wisdom in your leadership, okay? So I'm gonna do a video today about wisdom, about leadership, things of that nature. They're about to drop this boat going in the shipyard. Ship, that's a ship. So yeah, you just want to take the initiative to do things. You don't want to wait on people to tell you what to do. You don't need to wait on nobody to do it. I don't need nobody to fix this deck because I'm going to fix it. In that shows a lot of wisdom. Wisdom is the topic. Okay, so with that said, I'm finna jump off into a few videos. This might be just on one platform on my TikTok, but either way, man, get your mind right, sailor. Well, word on the street is it's pretty cold in the States. Alright, y'all. Look at that walkway. Ain't nobody gonna trip. Step over it. Now you wanna push this down so people can step over that. Okay. Everything you just step over. Ain't nobody gonna roll their ankle. See how that's out the way? All that's out the way. You looking good. You looking good, baby. That's how you want your day. Free to walk. Now this line here, watch this. Look at that, man. Come on, man. Look at that, man. It's a little walkway. I could stack them up, but that line heavy, and for other reasons, that's why I flaked it out just like that. All right, now let's check out this bow. Bow is a mess. Now it's organized. Look at it. Everything out the way. Don't look like a cluster. Look at that. Everything out the way. Now I got it. This blue line, all one line. So I put this line right here. That's going that way. Okay? Going out there. That line there going out the bow. Now everybody, you can walk up here and you can tell where the line's going. See how this line right here? That's for this line. It's organized. That's how you get that's exactly how you want to set your deck up. Okay? Nice and clean, baby.